Hi everyone, this is Erfan Akbari, and in this video I want to show you how to use virtual environments in Python and in VS Code. So let's get started. First of all, you should install virtual environment package if you didn't install it before. So we first start with this command pip install virtual env, and after that I press on enter. Because I have this package before, it says that requirement already satisfied, and if you didn't install it before, its installation progress will be started. After that, you should make a virtual environment. For this, you should type python dash m venv, and after that you should type the name of the virtual environment you want to create. For example, I want to make a virtual environment with Erfan env name, and after that I press on enter. You can see that there is a folder in here. You should wait until the progress of making a virtual environment finish. Now it is finished, and if you click on and expand the folder that is created in the directory of the project, you can see there are some folders, and in scripts folder you can see this file. You should run this file to activate your virtual environment. For this, I should run this file, and so I type the path of this file and press on enter. It is Erfan env scripts, and be careful that there are some other files with the same name: active.bat and active.ps1. We should run active.ps1 file. When you run it for the first time, it is very common that you get the error like this. For solving this error, you should run the PowerShell as administrator, and after that you should type this command, which I run here: set execution policy remote signed. What has been happening? And when you run this command, it asks you if you want to really run this command or not. You should say yes to all with typing A and pressing on enter. Now the problem is solved. You should go to your VS Code window again and kill the terminal and open a new terminal. And now you can see that if you want to activate your virtual environment, there is no problem. I tried again. And active.ps1, you can see that the Erfan env now is activated, and now if I install any package or do anything, it just happens in this environment, and when I deactivate the environment, there will be no effect of whatever I did in this environment. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, and if you have any question that I can answer, please write your question on comments. I try my best to answer them if I can. Thanks for watching. Be happy and goodbye.